Hi all, this is Lakshmi working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNSCT. So today I'm here to discuss about the lecture series on emerging trends in sensors and MEMS. And the topic I'm going to discuss is all about the wearable sensors. So which is the very important technology in the current scenario, which is revolutionizing the healthcare sector. So we can call these wearable sensors as a small, lightweight, intelligent electronic devices which can be integrated along with the clothing or with the accessories, or it can be worn on the body in order to monitor various health metrics and the physical activities. So normally this type of sensors initially first it collects the real-time data, then it will enable the users to track their health status effectively and give a personalized wellness strategies. So this would be easier for the doctors to monitor a person's health status. So with the rise in the technology of this wearable sector, the individuals can make they can be informed about their health status, fitness, which will enhance their overall quality of the life. So thus, this wearable technology is playing a huge role in the health sector. So first let us discuss the empathy part of the wearable sensors. So as we are dealing with the healthcare sector, so the empathy plays a very important role in this technology. So we must first understand the user needs. So we have to collect feedback from each and every individual of their health needs for right from the child to the old age people. So this technology is playing a major role. So we have to acknowledge their user health needs. Then we have to provide them a better solution to satisfy all those issues. So we have to make these kind of feedback analysis, and we have to give them a better solution which promotes their user engagement with the technology. So the user friendly technology has to be provided with the help of this empathy on this wearable sensors. So collecting feedback from those who are affected with any diseases. So how those wearable technology help them in monitoring their health status, and what are the pros and cons of these type of stuffs has to be analyzed from the user end. So this will promote the user engagement with the technology. So talking about the defined part of this wearable sensors. So we can define this as these are the advanced devices which are embedded within the clothing or accessories, or it can be worn on the body. So they are capable of tracking various physiological data, so the biological data, and it can be connected with the cloud or the mobile for the functionality. So there are three steps involved in this process. So the step one here is incorporation. So the where how this device is implanted in the human body. So very one good example also, we can also talk about the pacemaker. So the pacemaker, implantable pacemaker, which is uh, performing the function of the heart in case of generating the pulses. If there is any lapse in producing the impulse, so this would pacemaker would replace the function of that, and the activity of this pacemaker, the battery of this pacemaker, all these plays an important role, crucial role. So we must know how much power is consumed. So all these data can be taken with the help of this type of wireless technologies. So that is one example. How it is being incorporated in the clothing or accessories. So we are using nowadays, we are using the Fitbit, and all those stuffs comes under this wearable sensors. And the second thing is, as I told, it is the data tracking. So once the device is being implanted, there should be a continuous monitoring of the data which has been collected through that help device. So this will, as we know that these kind of sensors will track the physiological data. And then the next is connectivity. So as we have discussed, either we can go with the wireless technologies with the help of this mobile or cloud-based technology would give us the enhanced functionality. So these are the three steps of this wearable technology. So the working principle. So coming to the ideate part, as we have discussed the three steps. So to be more technical, we can call it as data collection, data processing, and data transmission. So collection, that will make use of the sensors to collect the data, and the processing would be done through various types of algorithms, and the data transmission, it would send data to the user devices. So here is an example here. So there is a family at a home. So here the wearable device would be there with the person, and the data would be continuously monitored by the clinician, that is through the help of this internet facility. So that would be either through cellular networks or various this wireless mode of like Bluetooth, Zigbee, LAN, etc. So these type of communication protocols would be used, and the data would be given through this to the clinic person, and through them, the if there is any emergency, the alert is given, and the ambulance would arrive to the particular place, and the patient can be saved. So this is how the normal wearable technology works. So there are different types of wearable sensors, like the very well-known thing which everyone uses, almost many people are using this, that is fitness trackers. Fitness trackers, so that would monitor the physical activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns. Smart watches, so that would combine this smart technology, like it would give the notifications like health monitoring and connectivity. And the health monitors, these are having specialized sensors. So it monitors the important parameters, the vital signs such as blood pressure, blood glucose, and oxygen saturation. And the clothing sensors, they are embedded in the apparel. So these would monitor the physiological metrics like respiration, temperature, etc. So these are the different types of wearable sensors. So coming to the applications, so as we have discussed, fitness and wellness, the sleep tracking, medical monitoring, sport performance. So these are the various field where these wearable sensors are used. So fitness and wellness, so how much we have worked out, the number of steps we have walked, all those physical activities could be monitored with the help of this fitness and wellness. And medical monitoring, so like various patients with various illness, chronic illness, so those parameters can be monitored by avoiding the frequent hospital visits. So sleep tracking, so sleep patterns such as they can detect sleep apnea and various kind of stuffs. Sleep related things can be observed with the help of these type of technology. Sport performance to analyze the metrics like speed, the distance, the biomechanics, etc. So all these are the different applications of wearable sensors. Advantages, as it is told, we are dealing with the real-time data, personalization, so convenience, it is very easier to use, it is portable, and motivation, like measurable progress. When we are known with the progress of our health status, it will boost the motivation, and it will maintain, we can maintain the health and fitness routines effectively. So these are certain advantages. Challenges. So coming to the challenges and limitations, the accuracy issues, as we are dealing with the health, accuracy is very important. Privacy concern, the data of an individual would be might be leaked due to certain security protocols, and the battery life, power consumption plays an important role in this kind of technology. As we have discussed about the pacemaker, if the battery is low, then the heart function low, the generation of the pulse will get affected. So that will affect the life of a person. So battery is very important in this kind of technology. And the technology acceptance. Some users know they may not be comfortable with accepting these kind of stuffs. So that also is one of the challenges. So the future trends in these kind of technologies that integrating with the AI and the connectivity, the communication protocols, advanced technologies, 5G, 6G for faster data transfer, advanced biosensors, and the market expansion for the continuous growth. So these are the future trends of wearable sensors tools. So today's assessment. So which is the primary advantage of wearable sensors in healthcare? So it is providing us continuous real-time monitoring. And which is the major challenge in these design of wearable sensors is the power efficiency and battery life. So thank you.